I'm Mike Ruppert. I am the Contract Officer Representative here at Camp Buckner on West Point, New York. So Camp Buckner is our summer training facility for the West Point cadets in their second year. And when they come out here, they're really going to be training on small unit tactics and light patrolling to learn some basic leadership skills. Those skills that will then take them when they graduate West Point and are commissioned in the Army as officers. So these barracks that we're renovating will help to support the cadets in between each of their field exercises as they can come into the air conditioning, get some rack, and refit for the next mission. I was here 25 years ago as a cadet. I'm now back as a Department of the Army civilian. I am responsible for the contract administration. I spend the majority of my day here on site in the field with the contractor. My job for the most part is to look at the quality assurance on their quality control program to ensure that the customer receives what they're paying for. This program for Camp Buckner will renovate 38 buildings. The Camp Buckner projects are broken into 4 phases. Each phase should take approximately a year, maybe a little longer. We just completed phase 1 and now phase 2 is underway. Should be done by the end of next summer, approximately $16 million. And once phase 2 is complete, we'll go into phase 3 for a year and then roll up in the 4th year those last couple of barracks. So our goal here on this project is to deliver on time, within budget, and to the quality that our customers are looking for. We couldn't have done it without the great project delivery team and the partnership that we have with our West Point stakeholders.